This video will walk you through connecting your Windows computer to NYU Wi-Fi. NYU Wi-Fi is how you connect to the internet. We kept it simple. The network is named NYU. It's available at most NYU locations. You may see other NYU-affiliated networks, but NYU is the one to use for the best connection. To connect, go to a location with NYU Wi-Fi, like Bobst Library, Kimmel Center, a residence hall, computer lab, or a classroom building. Click the Start button, then select Settings. Select Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi settings. In the list of available networks, find and select NYU. Check the box to connect automatically. That way, you won't have to do this every time. Then click Connect. For username and password, enter your NYU Net ID, not your email address, and NYU password. You'll be asked to verify a security certificate. Click OK. Finally, click Connect to finish the setup. And that's all there is to it. Your device is on NYU Wi-Fi. Having trouble connecting? Check out nyu.edu/it/Wi-Fi for instructions and tips.